Hi, I'm Paola, the virtual assistant of Petronect. I'm here to help you with the registration at Petronect and Petrobras. To start the registration process, you must create a user ID. You must click on Would you like to register as displayed above. After that, the first step of the registration form will be displayed, and the fields country and fiscal code are required. Then you must click Send. Both fields have instructions of how to be filled. To view the instructions, just move your cursor over the question and mark Next to each field. The message below is presented if your company is already registered at Petronect's database. Therefore, the user and password fields must be informed in order to log in. If the company is not yet registered, the page below will be displayed to begin the registration process. So you must fill it out with first name, surname, username, email address, and please confirm your email address again. After all, press Send. Here we have some instructions so you can fill each field. If the user does not fill a required field correctly, an error message at the bottom of the page will show up, and also an indication of the missing fields with the icon like a red X will be displayed. So you must write correctly. Everything okay? After click on Send, that message here will show up to you. In order to log in, return to Petronect portal homepage and enter the username and password created. In the first access to Petronect portal, the admin user must accept the terms of use to navigate in the portal. If the user disagrees with the terms of use, the registration process will not be continued and the access will be denied. In the first access to the portal, the user must check the information displayed and insert a complete phone number. In the page also permits the user to update the information. And here we have something important. A foreign company that does not have a national register of legal entitled, a CNPJ, and does not have a CPF, which is an individual registration, must select the option, I declare to be a supplier of a company without national registers of legal entitles, a CNPJ, and I don't have a CPF. After all, click the Confirm button to confirm the information. Once confirmed, the message below will be displayed and the fields will be blocked for further edition. Press click here to continue to navigate on the portal. Everything alright? Portal Petronect will be ready to use, and you can check every folder at the menu. At Registry at Petrobras folder, a menu tab where all functionalities related to suppliers registration will be available. If you have any questions or doubt, please contact our team. Numbers are displayed at Petronect portal and also our short guides with frequently questions and answers. See you at the next video.